A world without greenery. A world with as much pollution as the toxic planet Gormanu. The insignificance called this smaller planet Earth. This planet must be purged of its parasites. They give no regard to the natural energy of this world. This air is tainted with pollution. Humanity must cease to exist so this planet can live again.
This is a second wave. I hope you're ready.
Is it ready? Now I'm ready.
Seriously never ready.
This destruction is my fault. I was supposed to keep them safe.
I have to go, Taya. I've caused too much destructions. I don't know how I thought I could have been a hero. All I know is, I have to end this.
We lost the first battle, but we can't let them hurt one more of our nation's people. We have to protect them.
In the end, they will all have to stand together to defend the Earth.
Hey there, rude boy. May I come to you?
Xayma! You will always be a hero to me.